Hi guys, I hope this video is helpful. I want to talk today about how I'm cleaning windows in December of 2019. Interior windshields are the most critical thing you'll do in a detail, and if you're sitting at home you might wonder, how do you get that nasty film off the interior of your windshield? I've got 3 products that I want to tell you about today. Optimum Paint Prep, microfiber towels, and these are actually waffle weaves here, and a melamine sponge. I'm going to put links to all these below. I have decided at this point in my detailing career to keep it this simple. No more Optimum, no rinse, no more wipeout. Just Optimum Paint Prep, IPA, whatever you want to use. I've been using this product. Some people say, oh, it's not that strong. It works in the Optimum system, and it works for windows. It works great for final wipe downs of interiors where you see little streaks from your degreaser or your O&R. Paint Prep wipe down. I don't feel like it diminishes any of the products you've already used, but it does touch things up, and it does a great job on windows. I'm going to show you now how I do this. You're like, okay, I really want to get this windshield, but I'm inside a garage. I'm a mobile detailer in the winter. How am I possibly going to see? Well, I've got it lit pretty well right now, but I also want to show you a tool you might not even know you have that I absolutely love for my mobile detailing. That's this bad boy. This is Astro. I think it's a knockoff of the Scan Grip version, but I'm gonna just put a light up like this, and once I do this and I clean the exterior windshield, I'll be able to see what's inside. So you do want to clean the exterior windshield first. So the basic idea goes like this. I've got my paint prep, I've got a fresh melamine sponge or magic eraser, and I've got 2 to 3 waffle weave towels. Now I've got this light here, so it's really gonna help me. I can also wear a Scan Grip light on my head, but I found that this does the best job of mimicking the sun, which is what the customer will notice. In the sunshine, direct sunshine, if you leave streaks on their windshield, they're gonna notice it. So, what I do, take paint prep, spray my magic eraser to the point of nice and saturated. Microfiber. Give it a nice few spritzes. And I flip it. And I can flip it again. Make sure you do not forget the corners. Everyone sees the corners. Okay. Then I'm going to take a fresh dry towel for my final passes. And I may even spritz a little bit of paint prep, maybe 1 or 2, just to keep it lubricated as I go. You can pick up anything that maybe stubbornly wants to stay behind. Flipping. The idea is you want to work clean. You do not I'm still seeing here is on the outside. So let's take a look. I'll do circular patterns. You want the angle of the light to kind of kick off the glass and come to you. So you want to light it out in front of you so that you can see the way it reflects. And the most important part is this half of the windshield, because that's what the driver's going to see. And And already, I see one streak into there that I kind of missed. Because if you don't have the right lighting, you'll just lose track of this and you won't know where to look on the windshield. You'll go into the car and you won't be able to see it without this light. So I know I say I like to keep things simple, but I also like to deliver like as close to 10 out of 10 results as I can get. Some people like to start on that side and move to the driver's side. You can do whatever you want. I don't care what side you start on. I still see one little smudge right there. Now, if I wanted to be extra careful, I could stick within just the interior towel from before, or a brand new towel, right? It's like when you're trying to finish down and refine finicky black paint. Sometimes you just grab a fresh pad. You don't even clean the one you have, you just try a fresh one. Okay, so right now, I still think sunshine is the ultimate test, but this is the real world. You just want to know that you gave it an awesome effort. That right there, folks. Sometimes the light from further away tells you more, but that's basically how you do it. Optimum paint prep. I use these Korean microfiber waffle weaves from the Rag Company, and as a mobile detailer, I deliver for what so many of our customers really want, which is streak-free interior windshield. If you can't get that right, what else are you getting wrong? You know what I mean? So this is how I just make sure when I finish a detail that the glass is looking as good as possible. Fresh Korean waffle weave towels, and by the way, I air dry them on an Amazon drying rack that I have links to in the description below, and that has prevented some linting up of my towels.